Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to show your battery percentage number directly inside the status bar on your iPhone. First, navigate to your home screen layout and tap open the Settings apps. Scroll down the Primary Options menu list panel framework and click directly on Battery. Locate the specific configurations section block sitting right at the very top of the workspace layout view. Find the primary row option explicitly labeled Battery Percentage. Click the toggle switch right next to battery percentage to turn it completely on. You will immediately see the exact numeric power value render cleanly right inside your battery icon graphic badge in the top right corner of your status bar. Note that if your device is running a compact display configuration or a smaller notch design layout, the numeric system values will dynamically align to optimize spacing visibility perfectly. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.